Yours. Welcome to another mathematics presentation. So in this presentation, I want us to look at this question. So for x, so we have x raised to the power of 2 over 3 plus x raised to the power of 1 over 3 minus 6 is equal to 0. So the first thing, try to notice the powers that you have. So here the power is 2 over 3. Here the power is 1 over 3. So I can try to rewrite this one. Okay, this one, which is x to the power 2 over 3, I can write it in this way: x to the power 1 over 3, I put it in brackets, raised to the power of 2, because when I apply the power to power law, I'm going to get this. Okay, so I want the power to be 1 over 3, which will be same with here 1 over 3. So we write x to the power 1 over 3 in brackets, we square it, plus x to the power 1 over 3 minus 6 is equal to 0. So after writing like this, we can now say let u be equal to x to the power 1 over 3, because we can see x to the power 1 over 3 is common. Even here x to the power 1 over 3 is common. So we can now try to substitute on this equation where we have x to the power 1 over 3, we substitute u. So here we have x to the power 1 over 3, we'll put u, which will be u. Now there is this power 2, u squared, plus x to the power 1 over 3, we substitute u, plus u, then minus 6 is equal to 0. So from here we have a quadratic equation. So we can now solve this using factorization method. So we have u squared plus u minus 6. So because we have a minus 6 here, we can write u squared. So we find two numbers that we can multiply to get a minus 6. We add them, we get a plus 1. Okay, because here is u, the coefficient is a 1. So those two numbers are, if you multiply 3 times negative 2, you get negative 6. 3 plus negative 2, you get a 1. So say u squared plus 3u, then minus 2u. I'll just substitute on the middle term. Then minus 6 is equal to 0. So from here we can see we have 4 terms, and try to separate them like this. So we factorize in the first brackets. We have u squared plus 3u. The common term here, it's a u, open bracket. We say u because u into u squared will remain with a u, plus u and u cancel, remain with a 3. So whatever we have here, even in this side, when we factorize, we must get the same things. So we have minus, what is common? 2u minus 6. The highest common factor of 2 and 6 is a 2. Open bracket. 2 into 2u will remain with a u. Negative, negative, positive. 2 into 6, a 3. We can cross, is equal to 0. So you can see we have similar terms. So we can just pick one where we can say u plus 3 in brackets, again u minus 2 is equal to 0. So this will tell us that u plus 3 equal to 0, or u minus 2 equal to 0. So we just correct the right terms. This will go this side, even negative 2 that side. Our final answer will say u is equal to negative 3, or u is equal to 2. So these are not the final answers. They are just helping us to be able to find the value of what? Of x. So we can come back right here where we wrote let u is equal to x to the power 1 over 3. So since we have two values for u, we can start with the first one where we can say u equal to x power 1 over 3 when u is equal to negative 3. We pick the first one when u is equal to negative 3. So where there is u, I'll put a negative 3 equal to x power 1/3. So I need to find the value of x. So since this x is raised to the power of 103, I'm going to multiply both sides with a 3. Okay, so that 1/3 times 3, it will cancel. Okay, so this and this will cancel, remain with x is equal to negative 3 in brackets to the power 3. We are going to get a negative 27. So this is the value of x. Remember, we found two values. So again, we are going to say u is equal to x power 1/3 when u is equal to 2. That was the other value of u. So where there is u, substitute 2 equal to x power 1/3. So I'll do the same. I'll multiply by 1/3. Even this side you multiply by 3, so that this and this will cancel. We have x is equal to 2 power 3 gives us 8. So we can now say, therefore, x is equal to negative 27, or x is equal to 8. So these were the answers. So thank you so much, everybody, for having time to view this content. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye-bye.